If you're a gamer, then you know Xbox is one of the really good contenders for one of the best consoles. They have the Game Pass, which is probably the better one out of all the systems. You have almost 500 free games per month you can play, and that's a lot of games. And you can also download it for your PC. So since I don't have an Xbox, but I have a PC, I got a controller here to connect it so I can play the Xbox games that require controller directly on my TV. Also comes with a long USB cord, which is nice because nowadays, people skimp on the cords. It's just, saving money, but Xbox didn't, and I really do appreciate that. Here you'll go through and see the unboxing of the Xbox controller. Really nice, and you can see there it's about 6 inches long. We get the long cord as I mentioned, and then you have a Game Pass brochure and also your manuals. And the controller itself is pretty light. It's nice and coarse, so it's kind of got like a tacky material so you can't drop it easily. And on the front anyway, all the buttons do work well. You also do have an area for 2 AA batteries, which are not included. So that's where you'll put those. And then you'll be able to go ahead and game either directly on your PC or on your Xbox. And you're looking about 4 inches side to side as well.